Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian, I'm part of VizMaker and Viz Academy team, and in this video I'm gonna show you how we can easily generate 3D models directly in VizMaker with using only screenshot and then upload it to SketchUp. Once we already have our SketchUp model and we want to furnish it, then we can just simply, let's say, use Pinterest and we can make screenshots of elements that are interesting for us. Then we can just open VizMaker app and paste our images. To generate models from those images, firstly we will have to isolate them from a background. So we just have to press left mouse button and paste this prompt for each of our image. In this case it is isolate plant and vase and show it on a white background. Then we just press make, and once all of our images are isolated and they do have a white background, we can start with generating 3D models. We have to press left mouse button on our generation with white background, then we will switch from image editor to 3D model creator, and in here we can choose in between two different engines, which is Tripo3D and Meshy AI. In this case I'm gonna use Meshy AI because complexity of those models might be a little bit more demanding. And then you simply just press make for all of our models. For Tripo, it usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes to generate a model, and for Meshy it might actually take a little bit longer because it will have some more details. After around 5 minutes I already have my models generated, so we can take a look at them. And right now we can see that those models are quite precise, flowers looks very nice, and it is perfectly usable for SketchUp. And with this button right here we can also switch viewport to a model without textures, so we can actually see geometry of it. And let's take a look at the other models. And here we got our armchair, which model also looks great. If you will take a look at the model without any textures, we can see that details are quite good. And let's switch to the last one. We also got our sculpture, which looks also very nice, textures are precise, and I think we can start to upload them into SketchUp. And to do that, we just have to press left mouse button on our model or here in a viewport. Then we will just press Save Media As, and we will have to choose GLB format. And once we already saved all of our files, we just have to drag and drop the file into SketchUp, then preserve drawing origin and press OK. And it will take some time to import our object. And once our model is fully furnished and we already generated all of the models that we need, we can just simply press VizMaker button and upload our image to VizMaker. And now the only thing that we will have to do is to change mode from 3D model creator into image editor, set our engine resolution, choose our image and use view to render preset, and then just press make. And that's exactly how we can generate any model that we want in VizMaker and then upload it to SketchUp. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos.